Hello everyone, today I'll be working on this drawing over here, and I'll be doing this drawing and I'll be doing configuration in SolidWorks today. So let's start off with parts. Okay. Front plane, normal 2. Let's go on sketch, enable the sketch. Let's click on the center rectangle. Okay. And what is the length? 31 and 31.8 and 7.8. 31.8 and 7.8. Okay, let's exclude it out to 9.6. Okay, now I'm gonna carefully flip the drawing and I'm gonna click normal 2 here. Sketch, I want to draw on this plane over here. I'm gonna draw a circle. Okay. And it should be 4.8. 4.8, perfect. And okay, it has to be from here to here, 3.8. Okay, and it should be horizontal with the origin point. If you guys don't have the origin point, create a center line that will bring this thing in the center of it. Okay, this has to be in the center. Okay, and it has to be horizontal if possible. I just made a horizontal that will make this circle right in center. And as you guys can see, it's fully defined. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come here and exclude boss slash base, and before I exclude this thing out, I want to use this thing as a shell. First, I want to get this thing shell. Okay. Okay. So click on shell. Okay, this should be 0.6, 1.6, 1.6. And pick this surface, click on the preview, looks nice. That's perfect. Okay, now I want to do exclude this one out. Click here, exclude boss slash base. Okay, and this should be 1.8. 1.8. Enter. And let's get this thing parallel. So I use a linear sketch pattern from here, not from sketch. Okay, do not use this. You guys want to use this one right here. It said linear sketch pattern in features. Okay, and direction, I want to use this line. Okay, number of instant, I want to use 4, and the size has to be 8. Okay, that is all done. Let's just move the line right click here, set to normal 2 over here, and let's set up the sketching here. And diameter has to be 0.8. No, it should be 3. And distance from here to here has to be 7.95. Okay, press escape, click on the point, center point of the circle, and press and hold control and press this one as well. Now we get the horizontal relationship going on with this, which is perfect. Now I'm gonna do extrude boss slash base. I want to do up to surface, and I'm gonna pick this surface. Okay, I'm gonna do hit green check mark. Now this thing is, since it's created, now I'm gonna do linear pattern. And I'm gonna use this line, and I'm gonna do flip direction 3, and the distance has to be 7.95. Okay. So my part is all done. Now I want to do the configuration. Okay. So for that, I'll go under configuration manager, which is right here. Okay. Name this. So to name it, you have to select first. Okay, click on it one time here. So this thing has to be selected. Let's select first. Turns blue. Then you double click here one more time. Not double click, just single click, and then it will get. You're allowed. Then the software will allow you to give you rename it, and it should be for post Lego. Okay, and you right click on where it said part 1 configurations, you say add configuration, and let's say 6 post Lego. Okay, that is good. And now we have to set up the configurations, right? And let's click on this one. Let's go to the feature manager design tree, back to this place. Okay, you want to do right click here. You want to make sure you have this thing on where it said show feature dimensions. Okay, because that's important right now. We need that. And we need to have dimension names on, and that's D1 under hide and show. Okay, dimension name. So let's start naming them. Okay, Okay, this 4 is it should be named as uh, number of posts outside. Okay, hit green check mark, and there's a one more in here which is known as 3. I have to look for that one right here, and name this number of post inside. Okay, number of post inside, and this should be the length. Oh, I accidentally write it here. Okay, so I got everything set up in here, and I want to double click here again. Okay, and I want to erase this 3. Okay, and I want to do equal sign. I want inside number of posts driven by the outside number of posts. So I'm going to click here, and since outside is always 1 extra, so and inside has to be 1 less, I'm going to put my minus sign here, and I'm going to put 1 less 1. So it will be always driven by this, and it will be -1 every time. Okay, so since you guys see that E sign just come up, it means that's done and it's working. The formula is working for me right now. Okay, and now I want to click here, and there's a big equation that's gonna go with it, and I'm gonna do equal sign, and I want to do I want to select this one, and I want to do abstract sign, which is times 2. Then I want to do plus, and I want to do open parenthesis. Then I want to click on number of posts outside -1. Okay, then times. Then I want to do times this dimension, which is 8 outside post. I want to click here. So I got that in here, and I want to apply to only this configuration, number of post, Okay, as you guys can see that I got my E sign here, it means it's working as well, and it's ready to work on its configurations. Now I'm gonna come here, okay, green check mark, and make sure you hit that rebuild feature up top, okay, and you want to go in configurations, and then you want to come here under 6 post Lego, and okay, So that didn't work. Let me just delete this right now. Let me redo this. 6 post Lego. And let me change the number in here from 4 to 6, and I want to do only to this configuration. Okay, and it worked. Let me rebuild this. There you go. So rebuild. Let me hide all the numbers in here, and as you guys can see, it worked. Okay, and now let's do one more configuration. Add configuration 8 post Lego. So to convert this into 8 post Lego, come here, increase the number of this pattern from 6 to 8. Okay, and make sure it's selected with this post. Okay, you don't want to do all post or the specified configurations. You want to do this configuration only. Okay, green check mark. There you go, 8 post Lego. So everything seems to be working fine in here, and I hope you guys learned something new today. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope to see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.